The market is full of Bluetooth keyboards and I've tested quite a few of them. I came across the 1byone keyboard, which is very thin, light, and it has a trackpad. This is Linus, stay tuned. The keyboard costs just below $17 on Amazon, and I will leave a product link down below. The keyboard comes with a USB cable, some paperwork, and some adhesive tape. As far as design goes, the keyboard is well constructed and it uses plastic in its build. What I love about this keyboard is that it is very thin and lightweight. Also, it is great that the keyboard has a trackpad and it can be used on different operating systems like Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android. We have a power switch and two LED lights. One indicates the amount of power left in the battery, while other is Bluetooth notification light. I didn't have any issues pairing the keyboard with neither of the devices that I have, and it works just fine. If you want to pair a new device, just press Fn and C buttons simultaneously. The blue LED light will start flashing, and then you will need to select the keyboard as the Bluetooth device you want to connect to on your smartphone or other device. The typing experience is pretty good. I love the fact that the buttons have a pretty good spacing and a great tactile feedback. One of the key features of this keyboard is the battery life. You can get around 90 hours of continuous use or 90 days of standby, which is a great result. The 1byone keyboard is not the only product of its kind, but after using it for more than a month, I can tell you that it has been working fine. Well, it does not sport any premium materials like metal in the construction, but it is well made and it costs just below $17 US, which is a great price considering the overall quality and the feature set of this keyboard. It was Linus, thanks for watching and see you in the next video soon.